How to create document in DocuSign. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create document in DocuSign. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly type DocuSign and just click the first link that comes up. Or you can simply click the link on the description below. And from here, it will show you how you can register your account in DocuSign, in which you can try e-signature for free for 30 days in this platform. But before that, if you don't know DocuSign, it is a widely recognized electronic signature and digital transaction management platform in which it allows individuals and organizations to send, sign, and manage documents electronically, eliminating the need for physical paperwork and manual signatures. And to register on this platform, just enter your first name, last name, your email address, enter your phone numbers, and your country or region. And after filling out all of the required information, just proceed by clicking the Get Started button below. And after that, it will show you that you need to check your email inboxes and to confirm or verify your email address to the confirmation email that they sent. So just go to your email inboxes from here and just click the email that they sent and proceed by clicking Confirm My Email button. And after confirming your email address, you will be directed on this page, in which from here, the next thing that you need to do is to set your password to log in your account in DocuSign. And make sure that you enter at least 6 characters long, and it must not contain these characters below here and no spaces. And after that, just proceed by clicking the next button below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which from here, all you need to do is to wait for it to load, and it will show you that you need to finish your setup. So from here, just select your industry. We have here accounting and tax, business services, or consulting, and many more. And after that, just select your reason why you sign up in this platform. And you can select any of this reason, or alternatively, just skip all of this question right here. And now, you're now on the dashboard or homepage of DocuSign e-signature. And from here, you will see the homepage, Manage, Templates, Reports, and Setting on the top panel option. And by clicking the Start Now button below here, you'll be able to drop documents and get started. While on the top of it, it will show you the action required, the number of waiting for others, the number of expiring soon, and completed. And now to get started, just click the Start Now button below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this page, in which from here, just proceed by clicking Upload button below, in which by clicking this button, you will be able to import files from your desktop, use a template from your Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. So in those options, I'm going to choose the desktop option, in which I'm going to choose a computer files that I will upload in here. And after uploading the documents from your computer files, if you scroll down below here, you could also add a recipient, in which all you need to do is to enter their name, their email address, but if you're the only signer, just check these boxes right here. And below that, you could also add a message, and as you can see here, the title of your document that you just upload are located on the email subject section. But you could also customize the email subject context by clicking on it and entering the context of the subject that you prefer. So before signing in, I'm just going to enter a message that indicates that you want an e-signature or to get signed your document that you just upload. So under the email message, I'm going to enter, "Please help me sign this document. I need it urgent." And after entering your message, just proceed by clicking the Sign In button below on the right side corner. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, just proceed by clicking the Continue button below. And from here, it will show you the document that you just upload. And on the left side panel, you will see here the fields and other options that you can navigate, including signature, initial, stamp, date signed, name, first name, last name, email address, company, and title. So let's start first by using the signature option. So kindly click on the signature and it will show you a logo, and all you need to do is to drag it and place the signature to the location that you prefer. So let's say I want the signature right here, and the next thing that you need to do is to enter your full name, your initial, and below you could select a style of the signature. We have here the preview picture, or alternatively you could just simply draw a signature by clicking the draw option right here, and you can start drawing your signature using your mouse. Or alternatively, you could also upload a picture of your signature from your computer files right here. But in those options, I'm going to choose the select style. As you can see below, we have the two options. The first one is signature and the other one is our initial. And to use this, just proceed by clicking Adopt and Sign button below. And after that, it will show you the e-signature that has been generated using this platform. You can even adjust the size of it and even change the location of it in your document. And aside from that, you could also add an initial by clicking this initial on the left side panel, and just do the same process, which is by clicking this and dragging it down into your document. And you can also choose the location in which you want to put your initial right here. And aside from that, you could also input a stamp to your document by clicking on the left side panel, which is the stamp option, in which just do the same process. And you can also resize the stamp that you prefer, since it will also serve as a verification or authentication of this document. And after that, from here, the next thing that you need to do is to upload an image that you want your stamp to look like. So let's say I'm going to choose this kind of image, and to proceed, just click the next button below here. And aside from that, you could also name this kind of stamp and even make this stamp as your default. And after that, just click Adopt button below. And from here, it will show you the stamp that you just upload. And you can also change the location of it or the size of this stamp. Or even delete this by clicking the X button right here. And now, if you're now done entering an e-signature on your document, a stamp, or even an initial, you could also add other kind of elements including name, first name, last name, email address, and other data on the left side panel. And to save the changes, just proceed by clicking the Finish button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which from here, you will see the file that you just saved and input an e-signature using DocuSign platform. And from here, if you want to avail a different kind of plans, you can just simply click this View Plans button on the top panel, in which by clicking on it, it will show you the different kind of plans that you can avail, such as Personal, Standard, Business Pro, and below is the corresponding price of each plan and their features or benefits. So that is just how you can create document in DocuSign. Thank you.